Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module, we're going to be starting our last big topic for the semester, which is formal commands. So commands are the type of grammar that we use when we give instructions like come here, sit here, wait here, take the medicine. It's like giving an instruction, giving a command. And this is something that even if you've taken Spanish before, you may not be familiar with the formal commands. It's not usually like a Spanish 1 type of topic. And if you speak Spanish at home, you're probably using all of the informal commands at home, which is fine. It's just a totally different grammar. So for this topic, we want to learn about how to use the formal version. So again, even if you speak Spanish at home, even if you've taken Spanish before, really make sure that you go through the learning materials and follow the formula that's in the materials, because you want to get this part right. So like I said, there's a lot of stuff under the readings and resources. There's also articles because we do have our last discussion board, our last one for the semester. So make sure you read the articles for that, and some videos to watch about the commands and why it's important to use them and how to form them. Again, we have the information about the final project. So once you understand the formal commands, that's everything that needs to be on the final project. So you can kind of start thinking about it, start working on it. We do have one more module of commands, but it's just more of the same kind of grammar and information. Okay, so we have our homework packet like always. Like I said, our last discussion board, and that initial post is due Friday, July 11th. So make sure you get your initial post in by July 11th. And then the speaking assignment, we're going to give those commands and the quiz like always. Let me know if you have questions. Y nos vemos pronto.